Today we are putting together a set of Crankbrothers stamp pedals. I'm using a Crankbrothers pedal refresh kit for stamps. There's nothing here. This is the layout of the parts. The screws and everything. So we're going to start by taking a pedal body, taking this O-ring, it's a rather thick O-ring, you'll drop it in, make sure it sits flat. You can use a little pick or I'll use an Allen, just take it, go around the rim, make sure it's padded in there. Take the bushings, bushing has a hole on the end for that grease port. Take your bushing, open side versus closed side. Open side drops in. That, use Allen to tap it. Make sure it's set in there. We're going to take our spindles. Going to. We also have these two plates. Your two end plates. Going to take a spindle, put on a end plate, slip it over like this. Take the bushings, split bushing. These are nice and shiny. All new. You take them, and they have this lip here, this reverse lip. You're going to take it. You take two. Flat sides out, like this. Take it, put it in. Push them towards the end. Put your cap over. It locks your bushings in. Grab a slip seal. I believe it goes in. So, slip seal goes in. Should be this way. Wait a minute. So I have my end plate over. Make sure the countersinks are facing out towards the threads. Get a little grease. So when putting these things together too, you need to put this O-ring on. That way it seals on this surface in here. And then you cinch your bolts back as normal. Funny enough, Crankbrothers gave me 3 of these O-rings. Don't know why. It's an odd number. Check out that Allen wrench. Put a little bit of grease in the end port. Put the port in. That. It's like factory now. Nice. This one's got a comb part for a seal. Have your plate with the counter sinks facing out. Take a grease. Put it on. Little drops. That. Take your half split bushings. Put them on. They will spread the grease. Put on your second half bushing. That. Put your end cap over. Spin it around. See the grease coming out a little bit. Take a little bit of grease and just put it on the lip seal surface. A little bit, it'll spread. Put it over the threads. Use a tool if needed. Dang, this one's slippy. That. Take this, grease the end of your spindle. Doesn't matter how much you put on there, you can always grease it later. Like that. Put it in. It's got a little gap in there. Once you have this done, put in your bolts. They're pre-loctated. Tighten them down. It's gonna be a little tight right now. Got to break in a little bit. You take the syringe, clean the tip, plug it in there. I'm gonna put some grease through the spindle. Helps if you spin it a little bit. It's too full. You guys put that on the next pedal. You take your little end cap, and it's all good to go. So to actually get these blind bushings out, you put an air gun into this hole and pop them out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.